Hi, ako nga pala si TJ. Kasama ko ngayon si Richard. Isa rin sa naging user din ng product natin.
Yeah.
So Richard, baka pwede ka magpakilala, ano yung background mo?
Okay.
Paano mo na-discover din si IM?
Through my tita, came from New Zealand. They just came across here just to see me and share the product. Nagtaka mo, New Zealand, umuwi dito. Just to share. So, try mo muna yan. Then, make a decision. Sige, I'll just try. Sabi ko, we met in BGC. By the way, I'm Richard Karangian. You may call me Rich. And I am a professor by profession. Wow. I'm a business consultant from different areas. And I'm now connected in one of the largest financial industry today. Now, when I see IM as a product barley, I've been hearing kasi iba parang may tamis. And I don't think that's effective because of the gluten that has been in there. When I tried the organic taste, ito yung barley. Ito talaga yung lasang damo na inahanap, parang matcha nga na walang asukal. Okay, try on the... I got it when September 29. Try drinking
Ngayon
it.
lang, lately lang.
Yes, and then nag-inom ako kinabukasan. Imagine, grabe yung nag-lose siya. Siguro that's approximately kilo nilabas ko bigla in one day. Yung pagdumi ko, sabi ko, opo.
Talaga naramdaman na parang ang daming nilabas.
Sabi ko, tita, ganun bang effect nito? Kasi normally hindi ganun eh. But there's a ganun. Hindi, try mo lang yan. Focus sa'yo mag 3 times drinking ka 30 minutes before meal. I followed her. Ayan. Nag-inom ako. So, sabi ko, teka lang, kunin natin yung inches ko. So, talaga ang inches ko from my waistline is already 61.
61.
Kaya itong mga pantalon ko, from ito na dito lagi yan, nabubutas ko na hanggang 7. Dati, hanggang dito ako nagsisinton dahil nga hindi kayang i-chan na eh.
Okay.
So, right now, I'm happy on the result. This is my 22nd day drinking barley 3 times a day. Now, this is the result. Wala nang ibang product, only barley. But I still do the normal eating. Wala pa yung diet, wala pa yung exercise. But I see the good effect of it. So sabi ko, it's turned me out because 1 months from now, siguro, pag nag-trim down, people would know me. Talagang makikita nila yung cut-off nitong sarili ko. Kasi people that see me before talagang mataba. When we met together, we have our research conference yesterday in Pangasinan. Kita ko ng mga co-doctors ko in education. What happened to you? Ano kinasikreto mo? And they saw me before I eat the meal. Nagtitimpla muna ako ng barley. What is that? It's barley. So come and taste it, share. So they were too interested about it. So this time parang pa-teaser mo na sila.
Galing.
So if God's permit, malaki ang market natin with my colleagues.
So, meaning Richard, from 61, ano nangyari?
It's 52.5 now, 3 days ago pa yan.
Wow.
I can't imagine.
Laki ng
52.5.
Laki ng binaba.
Oo, my goal, mabalik sa 34 or 36. Diba?
Nice.
Yun talagang normal. Yung hindi ka na nahiyam. Kasi lahat ng damit ko po, patahi eh. Nasadya. Kasi every time we go on the mall, alam mo yun, ano ba ito? Hanggang dito, lalo yung jeans. That's why I can't wear jeans. Laging ganito.
So, doctor po ba kayo, Richard?
I'm a doctor in business administration.
Nice.
So, that's the reason why I'm in the field of academic and also in the business industry.
So happy kami makita ang results mo pa in coming months, lalo na pag years ka na nagbabarley, no?
At the same time, nag-take ka na, sumaya na yung kalusugan mo, yayaman pa, bulsa mo. Kumbaga, pumayat ang
may negosyo
tiyan.
pa, no?
Pumayat tiyan, pero tataba bulsa.
Nice.
And I'm excited doing that here, the business here in IM.
So once again, this is TJ Villanueva and
Rich Karangian.
I am Worldwide.
Yes, I'm worldwide.